Imagine riding your bicycle through the heart of a major city, completely naked. No costumes, no shame, just thousands of people cycling together. It sounds unbelievable, but every year, cities around the world host the naked bike ride. Tourists stare, cameras roll. And yet, participants say it's one of the most empowering experiences of their lives. So why does this event exist? Is it protest, art, freedom, or something much bigger? Let's break down the real reason behind the world's most controversial bike ride. In one scene, a single bike moves slowly. The rider is calm. Their focus is on the road ahead. The city moves fast all around them. The contrast is stark. The rider is a point of stillness in a world of motion. And the world reacts. Faces turn. A child points, their face a mask of pure curiosity. A woman cups her mouth, a gesture of surprise or perhaps disapproval. An elderly man laughs, a deep, genuine sound that rises above the traffic. A teenager covers their eyes, but peeks through their fingers. These are human reactions. They are unguarded. These reactions show shock. They show curiosity. They show the power of a simple, unconventional act. The ride is a mirror held up to the public. It reflects our own ideas about the body. It reflects our ideas about public space. It reflects our ideas about protest itself. Some people see liberation. Others see an affront to decency. Some see a political statement. Others see a moment of joyful chaos. All of these reactions are part of the event. The ride began small. It began with a clear and simple idea. People rode bikes. They did not wear clothes. This was not a random act. It was born from a specific set of concerns. The first organized rides took place in the early 2000s. Many groups and individuals contributed. The best-known organizer, the World Naked Bike Ride. It started as a protest, a call for safer streets, a call for cleaner travel, a message about our planet, a message about our bodies. History matters. The idea grew from earlier protests. Activists used their bodies to draw attention. Environmental groups promoted bikes to fight pollution. The naked ride joined those traditions. In one city, a small group of friends rode together. They wanted to feel free. They wanted to point out their vulnerability on the road. The ride also connects deeply to the environment. This is a core part of its message, a protest on two wheels against oil dependency. A bicycle makes no smoke. A bicycle uses no gasoline. It is powered by human energy alone, a clean and simple machine that reconnects us to our own strength. Riding a bike is one of the simplest ways an individual can help fight climate change. The riders want to celebrate this collective power. They want to promote cycling as a real alternative to car culture. The ride is a rolling demonstration of a cleaner way to live. It is a vision of a future with less pollution and quieter streets. The riders want cities to have more bike lanes, creating safe arteries for human-powered transit. They want cleaner air for everyone to breathe. They want safe streets where children can play. They want people to travel without fear. The message is simple. Bikes are good for the planet. The ride makes this message loud. It does so by being visible. It does so by being strange. The nudity acts as an amplifier. It takes the quiet, everyday act of riding a bike and turns it into a broadcast that reaches the entire city. It says, "Look at this solution. It is already here." Body freedom is another powerful reason for the ride, you know. This message runs parallel to the environmental one. People ride with no clothes to claim their right to exist as they are. They reject the constant pressure to have a perfect body, an impossible standard set by media and advertising. They reject the shame that is often associated with the human form. They make a bold statement. The human body, in its natural state, is not shameful. It is not an object to be hidden or judged. It is a part of nature. It is a part of life. The ride is a public display of acceptance. It celebrates the beautiful, radical diversity of human bodies. Riders are old and young. They are thin and large, tall and short. Each one is a testament to the beauty of being real, of being vulnerable, of being human. The ride grew, its powerful message of vulnerability and strength echoing far beyond its starting point. It was an idea too potent to remain in one place. Fueled by word of mouth and early internet forums, it blossomed from one city into many. Soon, the call was answered across continents. North and South America heard about the ride. Europe and Australia joined the procession. Asia joined in too. It is now an annual event, a global tradition in dozens of countries around the world. Each city makes the event its own, reflecting its unique culture and spirit. Some rides are small, a handful of dedicated cyclists. Others are massive gatherings. In cities like Portland, London, and Mexico City, thousands take part. This impressive growth shows one thing. The core idea is strong, a shared desire for cleaner, safer, more human-centric cities. It speaks to many different people in many different places, but the ride can cause tension. This is to be expected. Some people feel uneasy. Some argue that public nudity is illegal or immoral. Some say it is rude. Some express concern about children seeing the event. Organizers of the rides are aware of these worries. They work hard to manage them through careful, cooperative planning. They plan routes carefully, often avoiding sensitive areas like schools or places of worship. They communicate clear rules of conduct to all participants. Above all, they emphasize that the ride is peaceful and non-confrontational, a celebration, not a conflict. It's about creating a space for dialogue. In the end, the ride shows the power of a simple, deliberate act. One body on one bike can make an entire city think. Many bodies on many bikes can begin to change a city. When people come together in a shared public space, they can create new conversations. They can challenge old habits. They can demand new standards of safety and care. The ride is not the end of the work. It is a beginning. It opens the door to discussions about policy, infrastructure, urban design. After many years of rides, some cities have added more bike lanes. Some have changed speed limits on key roads. Some have invested more in public transit. Some have invested more in clean air initiatives. What would you do if you saw it in your city?